Welcome tech enthusiasts. Today we have the pleasure of unboxing the Sony ZX110 headphones. These budget-friendly headphones have been making waves in the audio industry, and we are excited to see what they have to offer. But before we get started, let me give you a bit of backstory on why we are doing this. So as you can see, the packaging is a bit more so for fear, but don't let that fool you. I picked those up on a killer deal way back in 2020. And now, with my trusty pair of headphones down for the count, it's time to give these bad boys another go. Alright, let's crack open this box and see what's inside. First up, we got a small instruction sheet from Sony. Now, I always like to check out the specs, and man, these headphones can produce frequencies that most people can't even hear. Now that's impressive. And now for the moment we have all been waiting for, the headphones themselves. I really appreciate how they fold up in such a unique way. And let's talk about their age for a minute. These headphones were first released back in November 2013. That's almost a decade ago, but even with all the advancements in audio technology, people are still buying these headphones today. And why wouldn't they? People buy for the Sony sound signature and the value this provides at an affordable price of $8 or 550 rupees on Amazon right now. And sure, they don't have Bluetooth or built-in mic, but there was a variant with a mic included, the ZX110 AP. But let's be real here, the most important thing is sound quality, which haven't had an evolution like smartphones had, for example. Moving on to the close-up shots, we see the ear cushions up close. They are made of a soft and plush material that feels great against the skin. We can already tell that these headphones are going to be a comfortable fit, even after hours of use. We see the R symbol in red on right ear part, indicating that this is the correct side to wear the headphones. On the left ear part, there's an L symbol in white, along with a small indent to help distinguish it from the right ear part. We appreciate this small but thoughtful detail, as it ensures that the headphones are worn correctly. On the back of the earbuds, we see the Sony logo, which is a nice touch. It's subtle but adds to the overall sleek design of the headphones. Moving on to the cables, we see the gold-plated 90-degree angled 3.5mm connector. This is a great feature as it ensures that the headphones are compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops and more. The wires are tangle-free and have a plasticky feel to them. This is a small but appreciated detail, as it makes it easy to use these headphones on the go without having to worry about tangled wires. I am only worried about those poor Apple users who can't enjoy value for money products like this because of lack of headphone jack and adjust with a heavy metal thing that runs out of battery in a few hours. The Sony MDR-ZX110 offer good comfort and compatibility with a wide range of devices. We can't wait to try them out and see how they perform. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to stay tuned for a full review coming soon.